Looking for Suriano. It's chipped back out of the zone. A breakaway for Buthalem. Shot and a save made. Great stop by Zell. Now Wagner. Sharp angle shot blocked down by Zell. Shot off the mask. And another fantastic stop. Keep it in along with Leisher. Ogburn trying to get it out. Here's Leisher with the puck. Leisher across. It's in. Sachem breakthrough. The far corner. Back for Wanling. Wanling to Calberer. Calberer, the shot, he scores! Across Calberer. In front. And it goes in. The other way for Calberer. Has Wanling with him. Calberer the Wanling. Wanling shoots. And scores. Wanling the goal. Drago. Now Calberer. For Wanling. Across the shot, they score. Wilson. Low and a great save made with the pad. Drago again. Nice move. Pass down low. Return pass. Score. What a pretty passing play. Temporarily leapfrog. There's a big block. Loose out in front. They score. Has to flip it to Villani. Here's Drago. The other way with Calberer. Drago fakes, shoots, backhand score. Highlight real goal against on the game, not just the one. Back the other way is Haggerty. Sent back down the ice by Loeb. Now on the stick of Petrie. Shot from Villani scores. And it's 11-2. Hits the brakes. Trying to get around Lorette. Lorette out in front. Just missed. Good chance for Chase Haggerty. Here's Esposito. Deflects over the top. Leisher with speed the other way. Kevin Leisher to the backhand, scores.